welcome back to my channel. So I am pretty pumped, as you can see, for today's video. I am going to show you how I did this look today, and believe it or not, it took me less than 5 minutes. Well, today it didn't because I was filming, but it usually takes me less than 5 minutes. It looks natural, it's clean, and let me tell you, there is absolutely no foundation and no concealer. So I know that you know that I know that you want to see it. Let's see how I did this awesome, super quick look. If you guys did not catch, I did, rewind a little bit, a few weeks back, a 10 minutes to fabulous, my dewy glam look that I do that literally is under 10 minutes. And I was pretty pumped about that. I still love it. And this is just kind of like an even quicker hack for days where I'm just like, I need to look somewhat presentable, but I don't want to sit there and just do everything, right? I'll have that linked somewhere around here. You guys will definitely have to check that out. But today's video is about like 5 minutes or less. I do have all my products I'm going to be going through with you guys to show you how I got this look. And I mean, I'm on camera right now, guys, and I'm liking it, I'm liking it. The first product that I want to talk about is going to be my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And this stuff is really awesome. I know I've talked about it before. It's always the first thing I do, even when I'm doing a full face of makeup. Today is not like that, which is crazy to me, seriously. Without at least concealer or something, like, you guys are gonna be blown away. I totally was. Item that I like to use for this look is the MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Base. I wanted to read off of MAC's actual site here because I don't know what it is, but this stuff, it just adds a really soft text, like it just, yeah, it's awesome. And I really feel like it sets the tone for this look because I'm not putting foundation or anything on it. Let me read this real quick. Actually say, if you favor a glowy, dewy lit from within look, this primer just might be your new go-to. There's not much the multitasker can't do. It helps to control oil while hydrating and softening the skin, and it leaves your skin a nice subtle sheen. Got vitamin C's in it, antioxidant rich, and vitamin E. Honestly guys, I didn't know a lot about this, and then I just used it one day and I was like, wow, like I just felt like there was a difference on there. I'm gonna continually repeat this. There's no foundation, there's no concealer in this video whatsoever. My Urban Decay Naked Skin Color Corrector. I've actually really been wanting to try the Becca one. So if anybody has tried the Becca one, please let me know in the comments below. This one is the one I've been using. I honestly do not use very much. And for this look, I don't even use my beauty blender. I literally just use my finger, which you will see right now. I do my eyebrows and I use this Mary Kay. The color is bronze, and honestly guys, so the funny thing is I've used this on my eyebrows for a long time. And it's not even an eyebrow pencil. It's actually the Mary Kay eyeliner. So if anybody saw that just now, I probably can't even read it. But I just wanted to throw that out there because for the longest time I was using it on my brows thinking it was an eyebrow pencil, and this whole time it's been an eyeliner, which is really funny to me. But anyways, just use this to do, I don't do the normal shaping that I do. I literally just go in and do my eyebrows real quick. So this next step is the most important, and the whole reason why this look comes together is because of this little baby right here. It is It Cosmetics, and it's their Bye Bye Pores Illumination. And this stuff, guys, it is a poreless finish airbrush pressed powder. And it's so crazy because this stuff is like white. It is like, it to me looks like crushed diamonds. Like, I don't even know, like, it is crazy. If you guys can see that. Yes, yes. It is so pretty, you guys, and it's sheer, and I mean, it says it. It's a poreless finish airbrush pressed powder. I'll show you guys right now how we made this come together. Just to give my face just a little bit of dimension, I go in with, yes, Kat Von D, her Shade to Light palette. I love, 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 love this palette. This is my favorite contouring palette. And I'm going to show you guys, I go in with the lightest color because I don't want a lot, like I don't want a heavy contour, but that's all I'm doing. I even have used bronzers, so it's whatever you guys prefer or what look you're going for. This is what I used for today's look. Let's check her out. Then I'm gonna go in with this, the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil by Urban Decay. And this is super black. I think the color is 0. I'm assuming. So hopefully I didn't get that wrong. But yeah, I think it's 0. But anyways, it is a creamy black, super black. And I'm gonna show you guys how I used it. did my really cool mascara hack for my eyelashes, and then just threw on some mascara. If you guys missed that hack that I have, I do it for every day, whether I'm wearing makeup or not. I will have that video linked somewhere here for you guys to see, so definitely go check that out. Literally, the next product we jumped into was my Mary Kay blush. Just wanted to go with a matte color and something that wasn't too, like, this is Sunny Spice. So this is Sunny Spice, the color. So it's just like almost like a neutral to me. It's like a pinky neutral, but there's no shimmer. It's really matte. And I just wanted a little bit so I can show you guys how I did that. I know, there's a lot of products, huh? Don't worry guys, we are almost done. And you're saying 5 minutes? Yeah, honey, 5 minutes. This is another step that I add because I just want a little bit of pop. So I go in with my Alchemist palette by Kat Von D, her highlight palette, which I love. This palette, if you talk about some shiny highlights, oh my Lanta. My mirror is dirty, but I just love it. And I go in with the color pink opal. A little bit of this stuff goes a long way. Then I go in with my lips. God, we're just like blowing through these products like crazy because it's not, it seems like a lot, but it's really not. I go in with my, I love this lip. It is Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Treatment. And it just gives, I mean, literally that's what I'm wearing right now. Like, obviously I'm wearing everything that we've been talking about and I'm showing you how I put it on. So it's very, moisturizing. It keeps my lips hydrated. They feel good. They're smooth. And it's just very glossy to me. And I love that for this look because it just brings out my natural lip color. So depending on what you're going for, I know you could use, I think a nude would be really good, or just a sheer gloss or whatever. But this is definitely what I used for this look today. Okay guys, and the last product I used for this was, that was my MAC setting spray, my Fix Plus. I love the setting spray, love it. It smells amazing. Yeah, I seriously don't really have a lot on my face, but I still used it because I just love this stuff. Like, I'd probably just put it on just to freshen my face with nothing on it, you know? I don't know. But I feel like it makes a difference, and it just adds that last thing as if I was wearing a full face of makeup. It just pulls the whole look together to me. It adds that dewy, glitzy, seal it all in, even though there's really not a lot on my face, but I feel it makes a difference. And that is it, guys. That is everything that's incorporated into this look today. And again, like, I keep looking at the monitor right here because I honestly did not know how this was gonna come out on camera. All the products that I talked to you about today, I will have linked in the description below as always. And as always, guys, please continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's